Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm your mom who's trying to get her family some financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them. Happy Tiny Tuesday, my friends. We're back at it. I was thinking, man, I don't have enough money to do a video. No. We're not keeping that frame of mind. Whatever we have, that's what we're working with, and that's what we're going to make sure we stuff. I have 15 bucks today. I do need to get some change, and I think a couple of my savings challenges have enough money to get me right. Let's see. All right, so I got them in frame, and so we're just going to work on seeing which savings challenge is getting $1 or two, because I think there's a $2 bill there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the way we're working it. 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4. Oh, no, 4, 2. Uh-oh. I think I don't know if I put $2 there, and I'm not going to worry about it. Let's see. 5. Come on, 1. Nope, 3. Come on, 6. 4. Alright, so a couple of my savings challenges did not get any cash, and that is okay. All of these savings challenges are from the same shop, from Batty Bankroll. She actually has a ton of freebies, so that's how I ended up with these savings challenges. Alright, so this first one we're adding $2. And each heart is $2. So this one's half a heart over there, so we're just gonna add this $2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, we're adding 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Because all of my circles are worth $2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have $12 here. Okay, this savings challenge we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think that completes this savings challenge. Oh, yes, it does. Because each heart is $2, and then we had half a heart there. In total, we have 10, 15, 20, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. $30. That completes this savings challenge. Yay! All right, let's see here. So we have this beauty here. Getting 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, and then half. 5. We just need one more dollar. In total, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. Okay, so I do truly love to see the progress taking place here. I was trying to decide if I should add in another savings challenge or if I should just continue on. I think for these savings challenges, I'm just going to keep continuing on, or I'm going to add savings challenges instead of continuing on. I usually prefer to finish my savings challenges before I add in new ones, but some of these are pretty close. I think we'll be fine, especially since I decided to do each circle or square image or whatever $2, so that should help with the savings. I think what I'll go ahead and do is, I think I'll put this money aside because I am planning on recording my Thirsty Thursdays. I'm trying to just work out my final numbers before I make that decision, which I know, like, when it comes to saving my money, that it's my money and I can move it around how I need to, but I prefer to already have my plan of action in place. So here's the hoping. I'm going to leave my setup so I can figure it out, and I'm going to, check my accounts and things like that and see what I can come up with. But I was really glad that I had the 15 bucks to work with today. Grateful for that. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.